Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instacart Shopper, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Instacart Shopper app on your device. Sign into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Select the shop icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose a store from the list provided. Review the order list assigned to you. Tap on the first item to see its details. Check the aisle location and availability. If the item is available, add it to your cart. If not, mark it as out of stock or select a suitable replacement. Continue through the list, repeating the process for each item. Once all items are in your cart, review your selections. Proceed to the checkout section. Confirm the total order amount. If required, choose a delivery method. Finally, tap Submit to complete the order. Wait for notifications regarding delivery updates. Follow any additional instructions provided by the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.